Tonight, it was those eye-opening statistics. The number of COVID-19 cases once again soaring to a new height, as we learned today that 960 new cases were reported in Nueces County.
Leaders continuing to try and meet the demand of testing, and tonight we've learned the local health district is working on additional measures to expand testing locations. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now with those details in tonight's top story. Bill?
A new but familiar location. You might recall the Robstown Fairgrounds was once a mass vaccination clinic. Now, according to County Judge Barbara Canales, the location will be turned into a testing site starting this Thursday.
We're seeing almost a 50% positivity rate.
Health Director Annette Rodriguez addressing the long lines of testing being done in Nueces County. Check this out. She says every other person tested is coming back positive for COVID-19.
We saw almost 1,000 people in our drive-through yesterday. We knew, like we've been talking about, that the surge was here and that people needed to protect themselves.
It's something health leaders have been warning about, that post-holiday surge. And while test results have not yet come back to confirm Omicron here locally,
we're talking with the state today, and for the state of Texas, we know that over 95% of all of the cases are currently Omicron. And so we know that it's here.
Stressing to those who have not gotten vaccinated to get it done now and follow the precautions we've been talking about for 2 years now.
There are some schools that are pushing their opening date back. If they're in school right now, I would just stress to the parents to impress upon the kids to wear that mask at school.
Meanwhile, parents trying to get their children's booster shot are having to wait a little longer, even after the FDA officially gave emergency use authorization for teens between 12 and 15. The reason?
So ever since the FDA put it out there and it's been on the news, people just automatically assume that they can get it. I don't think people realize that there is a process in place. We still have to wait for CDC guidance.
But that approval could come as soon as this week, and there will soon be more options to get tested for COVID-19, all to meet the demand.
We have already devised 2 new testing sites. One will be at the Crossroads 7744 in Robstown. So we're going to be testing at the Borchard Fairgrounds. We also have plans to joint partner with Texas A&M Corpus Christi and be able to, when those, all those students come back, be able to test at Texas A&M Corpus Christi.
Leaders are also looking at including an additional day of testing for Saturday at the old Memorial Hospital, as well as coming up with a location in Port Aransas for testing. However, dates and times have not yet been determined. We'll keep you updated. Back to you.
Thank you, Bill.